Hello and welcome to Luxor. My name's Bob and I'm here to showcase our new line of heavy-duty industrial carts that are made right here in the USA. Based on our best-selling EC series plastic utility carts, these commercial-grade carts are built to make tough jobs easier. Highlights include ladder hooks for storage of ladders up to 4 feet tall, movable storage hooks for longer items such as 2x4s and pipe, a spool holder for wire and cable, 5-inch locking casters, and steel reinforced shelves for strength and stability. Luxor industrial carts are available in 2 versions. The EC11 industrial cart features a 32x18 tub shelf on the top and the bottom. Each tub shelf is 2.5 inches deep to keep contents secure. The EC21 industrial cart includes a flat shelf on the top and a tub shelf on the bottom. The flat shelf has a small retaining lip to help prevent items from rolling off. Both carts have a 600-pound weight capacity, as well as Luxor's legendary quality, durability, and first-class customer support. This concludes our overview of Luxor industrial carts. If you'd like more information, please contact your sales rep or visit luxorfern.com.